Attention! Important update on bird flu in Nevada's dairy herds. The new H5N1 strain, D1.1, was detected in Nevada dairy cow milk samples. Through the USDA's National Milk Testing Strategy, herds in 2 counties are under quarantine. Cattle are showing respiratory symptoms. The USDA and NDA are working to remove European starlings to prevent further spread. Experts are concerned about containment as this strain has shown severe impacts previously. Stay informed and stay safe. Follow for updates on this evolving situation. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe.